Everyone says you can make money online as a freelancer, and if you ask them how can you get started as a freelancer and where is the best way to list out your service to sell and get clients to pay you for this particular service of yours that you are trying to sell in the online space, their recommendation is going to be like Fiverr and Upwork. Here's the thing, let's be real with ourselves. All these two websites are oversaturated and they are almost the pioneer websites for freelancing. And now to get jobs on there is kind of difficult and even challenging at times, especially when you are just starting out, that you don't have any review, you don't have any portfolio, and you just want to start online and you are going over to Fiverr or Upwork. It's very challenging to get a job. So in this video today, I'm going to walk you through 12 different freelance platforms that you can leverage on right now aside from Fiverr and Upwork. Now let me just take you on a quick spin. What about if you list out your service on all these 12 websites and you now use Fiverr and Upwork as the last 10, make it 14 with your service of $13, and you try to manage to get one job on each of these websites every other month for at the rate of $20. Now calculate $20 times 14 source of income for your service every other month. How much do you think you can be earning as a beginner or someone that wants to double up their income in the online space? Right now, let me know in the comment section how much is that if you are selling your own service, so I can know if you are going to make the real money and maybe you are going to be the sponsor of our next video, right? Because this video is highly sponsored by Zero SMS. And what is Zero SMS? Zero SMS is a platform where you can go over to and get a phone number to verify everything that you do in the online space, and even most especially Fiverr, Upwork that we are talking about, and even all of these websites that I'm going to show you in this video. And you want to create maybe a foreign account for yourself, you can go over to zerosms.com and you can get a phone number to verify every of your profile. And when it's time for withdrawal, you can still go over there to rent a number for like a week to change your phone number and link your payment method, and you withdraw your money safely. So Zero SMS is the sponsor of this video and they are very reliable. I've been using them and people in my community have been using Zero SMS to get phone number verification for every of the online platform, including social medias, right? So get started on Zero SMS today and let's enjoy the flexibility together, right? Now, the very first website I'm going to walk you through with, as you can see on my screen right here, is called Latium, right? So Latium is one of the websites that I've used in the past and still getting people jobs in this current year, right? What you need to do is to come over to latium.org and you are going to come over right here. You are going to go over to job for bid. All right, you are going to see people that they just put their job, and all you need to do is just sign up, right? So once you just sign up right here, you are going to put in your information, or you can continue with this information, maybe Google, Facebook, and maybe Apple ID. And you can see a whole lot of jobs in different categories that you can leverage on, and you can see the price they are paying, and you can see it right there. So you can see people make sales for my digital products, and you can hand this and backlink exchange and look for someone to help me. These are jobs that you can bid for once you sign up and you become a member of this platform, right? So just sign up right there and get started with this. And the number two that I'm going to talk about is Freelancer, right? So Freelancer is one of the websites that you can leverage on, but it's kind of underrated in the online space, but you can leverage on it. I know people that are banking a whole lot on this website and they don't even have a Fiverr account. So here is another opportunity for you. What you need to do is to come over to freelancer.com, and you are going to come over right here. You are going to click Earn Money Freelancing, and you can get to sign up your account, list out your service, and make sure you always put yourself in a niche market like I do say on this channel, because that is the exact thing that's going to get you result. Don't put yourself in a competitive market, put yourself in a niche market. If you are doing writing, break it down to a particular kind of writing that you do. If you are doing sales copy, if you are doing art copy, if you are doing blog posting, if you are doing biography writing, nail it down. Don't just put yourself as a book writer or a writer. Right now, this is what's going to guarantee you results. And the third one that I'm going to talk about is PeoplePerHour. So here's another website that you can sign up on right now and you can get jobs for yourself, right? You can just come over right here and sign up, and once you click on sign up right there, it's going to redirect you to this page where you are going to I want to work as a freelancer, and you can fill in your information or continue with all of this to get access to this website. And these are the website that gets a whole lot of jobs as well, and you can even scale up together from here. Right now, the next one I'm going to talk about is Legiit. Right, I've been talking about Legiit on this channel and I just want you to try it out. Like I said, right, all you need to do is just come over to sign up right here again. on Legiit.com. And from here, you can just put in your information and list out your service. You can see right here, you just want to sell, and that's what you are going to choose. Agree to the terms and conditions, register here, and list out your service. All right. So Legiit is also like Fiverr, and you can get to list out like a couple of service for yourself. Same thing you can do on Freelancer and PeoplePerHour, right? Now, the next one I'm going to talk about, which is the number 5, is Toptal, right? Toptal is one of these websites that is like high in demand, or maybe it's for professionals, but you too, you are a professional. Don't underrate yourself. And I want you to get over to Toptal.com right here. As you can see, you are going to apply as a talent, and right here, you are going to list out your information and what you can do. On the apply page, as you can see, you are just going to fill in your information and what you do, and you can just put your best self right out here, and you can get to make money and get jobs for yourself, right? The next one that I'm going to talk about, which is the number 6, is guru.com, right? Guru too is one of the pioneer websites, but then people don't really venture into it, and you can even go over there now and make some results for yourself, because you are not in competition with anybody, and you just put yourself in a niche market on there, and you can get yourself a job, right? All you need to do is just sign up right there, and you can just get to over to fill in your information, create your accounts, put out your profile about what you do, and just leave it there, and just pay close attention to your information email so you can quickly get notified when you get a job, or maybe you get an offer, right? Now, the next one that I will talk about is SEOClerk, right? SEOClerk is one of these websites that you can even grow from, or even if you don't have any skill at all, you can even outsource on here. Imagine you get jobs on all these websites, and you coming over to SEOClerk to get it done, and you deliver the best out of here, right? So that's like drop servicing, and something you can do even if you don't have any skill. But if you have a skill, you can even register on this, and you can get to make some money for yourself right there. And that's number 7 of this website, right? So if you're enjoying this video, I want you to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and use the first link in the description below to get access to my WhatsApp community, where I can get to answer your real question in real time, and also give you some helps and insights about how you can go online, right? And if you want me to create more videos like this on how to help you go in the online space, drop that in the comment section. I will read it, and I will get the video done for you, right? So let's proceed to number 8, and we are talking about Workana, right? So Workana is something that you can leverage on as well, a website that you can leverage on as well right now in the online space, right? All you need to do is just going to click I want to work, and you can put out your service. It's something easy to do, and you can just sell it off here, right? And the next one on the list that I want to talk about is Kwork, right? Now, I've talked about Kwork on this channel like 2 times, and this is the third time I'm talking about Kwork. You know, a whole lot of people are not really familiar with Fiverr and Upwork, and they are just using something that is generated or originated from their own region, right? So you can leverage on Kwork as well. Kwork is one of the websites that you can sign up to, and you can get more jobs for yourself, right? And the 10th one that I'm going to share with you is FlexJobs, right? FlexJobs is one of those websites too that you can sign up to right now, and you can get job for yourself, right? I don't want you to give any excuse that is going to stop you from signing up on all of these websites, because you're not going to sit with them on there. You just put your profile up once, and I leave it right there as you get more invitation and get notified in your email inbox anytime you get an offer, or maybe you get a job, right? So just make sure you are active on all of these websites, and you are good to go, right? Now, the 11th one, which is second to the last, is Truelancer, right? Truelancer too can give you jobs if you put your profile in a niche market, and also you rank it up, right? So it's something easy to do. All you need to do is just put yourself, have a clear goal target and clear goal title for your profile. So with this, people can get to see you and see your profile over and over again on this marketplace, right? Now, the last one is for designers, and if you are anything that's related to designer, there is a platform that you don't know that is very, very designated for you guys that you can leverage on, and you can get jobs around every of these design skills that you are. And I'm talking about 99 designs. So this is the last website I'm going to talk about right now in this video, and over the time I will make some more research about website that you can sign up to and get gigs from, right? 99 design is a website that can give you jobs as a designer, or maybe a creative person in the online space, right? Now, all you need to do is to come over to 99design.com, and you scroll all the way down to the very end of this page, and you can see under resources, you are just going to click on become a designer, and right here you are just going to apply to join the team and you are good to go, right? Now, let me know in the comment section which of these 12 websites are you going to start out with right now immediately after this video. So drop that in the comment section. I will be there to see it and like your video, right? Now, if that being said, guys, I want you to take action. You have to do what is required to get what you want in the online space. You don't just want to stay idle somewhere and be expecting results. You have to be everywhere. You have to keep showing up over the time and you can break through yourself in the online space, right? Now, subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with your friend, and turn on the bell notification so you can get notified anytime I drop a video like this that's going to help you scale online. I can be among the very first set of people that will watch the video and take the best value of it, right? And after everything, guys, you can also find links to all of these websites in the description below. And it's time to get back to work, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, guys, be at peace.